Hello guys, welcome to updates from 𝗨𝗏𝗱, and in today's video I'm gonna be showing you how I use noise application and I earn USD daily by posting videos on my TikTok, Telegram, Instagram, YouTube, any social website or any application, social media application I use. So guys, subscribe to my channel, subscribe to my Telegram channel, follow, like this video, don't miss my daily updates, and you can check out the links in the description so that you can get in touch with me for any issue, any question. I'm around, I'm available for your concern. So guys, this is known as the noise application. So the noise application is the application with currently many people are earning variety of money using this application. This application, it's not the first application. There are many variety of applications that are used to earn money based on TikTok content creation, posting content for brands. So you'll be earning. As you see right now, I'm currently working with 𝗀𝗵𝗋𝗀𝗋𝗋 brand. This is a brand where I will be posting these comics, they know as cartoons, these comic posts. So I'll be posting these posts and I'll be earning money daily per views I get per post. As you see, this is how it's going to be working. Firstly, on step 1, they are asking me, where do you want to post this? TikTok, Instagram, where? So you have to choose. So I will say that start building your post for TikTok. Download, post images, add caption, post and get paid. So I'm going to download these 3 images. So when I finish downloading the 3 images, they will lead me to another page where I will get my captions that I'll be using the post. So when I'm currently on these images that I've recently downloaded, this is what I will do. I will copy the captions per post, per image that I will have to post. This, I'm going to copy all this, then I copy the description too. After copying it, this is what I would do, and this is what I would do. I will say that I've posted. So I will come to my TikTok, account. So, and I will start making the captions. This is how I do it. So I will go to my clipboard. On my clipboard, I will look for the first caption I copied. This was the first caption that I had first copied, so I put it there. So I have to edit it if it's needed to be edited, and I will edit like that. So I will say like this, then I'll go to the next post. So I will go to my caption, then I'll go to imagine, okay. Then I go to the last caption, last post that I'll put the caption. this was the. So after that, I will click next on my TikTok account. Then I will put the description that was given to me on the noise application, including my name for the noise application. This was my name, 𝗍𝗍𝗱, so this post will show it represents me. I'm the owner of the post. So I'll click post, but make sure guys you have all these data on your posts, the caption and the description. You must include your name, 𝗍𝗍 and or whatever. So I say post. So my post is done. My post is done. Then I will come and check the post. Right there, the post is right there. So your posting will be done every day. You be doing this, and you get more. The more you get the more views, the more you will earn your dollars easily, fast. So I will go back to my news application. Remember, find the post. They will include it in my these recent posts, auto posts that I have. So right here, as you see, these are the posts over. So they will include it, or I can go back and I skip. So I come here and I say copy, then I say I posted. After that, they will tell me that they are checking. So after them checking, they will give me a feedback. They say nice, we'll go find your post and pay you for all the views it gets. So say I wish some, and I wait for my post to get views and I get paid. And also you can invite friends and earn. This is my invitation code, 𝗍𝗍𝗱. So use my 𝗍𝗍𝗱 code. You earn. Also you earn a sign up bonus of it's $10. Yeah, sign up bonus of $20 when you use my invitation code. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to my channel, subscribe to my Telegram channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Follow me everywhere I am for my daily updates. I'm always updating you guys with money opportunities where you earn some stable income that you have to. Thanks for watching.